the box of channel. And we gotta open this ring. This is the pencil. What is that?
You're gonna open your
What is that?
little
Mommy?
toy.
What is that? What is that? The pool.
Pull.
What is that? Here. What is that, Mommy?
Okay, open it. You gotta show it to the people.
No, open it right here. Maybe you could open it yourself. Here, Noah. Oh, sorry. There's tape. Oh. I could get this tape off. I need.
Yeah, it's called the letter game. See, it has a frog.
Frog.
Isn't that cute? You wanna play that?
Yeah. Is this only for Noah?
And Abe? Oh no, be very careful. Open it. Pull it out. You got a frog. And what do you say? Wow!
My little.
Yay!
Noah, let me open this. My ABC.
Yay!
Let me see. Let me open all these. Wait, Noah, we'll just wait. I will open
What is
these.
this, Noah? What animal is that?
It's a frog.
It's a frog and it got all bunch of
Here,
letters.
Noah, we gotta put let's put some white here. Let's spill something.
Don't eat it. Don't bite it, Abe. You open it. There you go. There's the letter.
Here's the letters, Noah. What's the pieces with this?
So you're supposed to put like a frog in here, like a picture of a frog, and then you're gonna spell it. So let's see here. Oh, this is the numbers. Let's start with a B. Example, a B. Now you gotta spell the B. So B. Let's open it up.
Hey, let me see that.
Okay, Noah. Spell B. B.
B.
Okay, you gotta do B. Find the letter B. Where's the B? B.
Well, so fun equals 6. That's 3. Where's 6? I need a 6.
You need to cover the name. Okay, Noah. Spell this word. What is this? What is this word?
Like that.
Pen. Pen. So you're gonna spell it with P, E, N. Okay, Noah, you're gonna say bye to the channel. Say bye. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
This is my boxing.
This your boxing? Yeah, it's your boxing.
I wish I had something like that. 1, 2, 3. Where's